Hello friends, welcome back to my channel DIY Affinity. Today we are going to see a very simple and quick wall decor using paper plates or thermacol plates. It is super easy to do, budget friendly and rental friendly too. It can be made in a jiffy using easily available products at home. Everyone loves black and white color, right? Even I love the combo so much. So I decided to make the decor in black and white color with a little twist. Now, without wasting the time, let's get started. First, I am drawing some patterns in the thermocol plate. Then I am going to cut it out using a cutter. After cutting out the pattern drawn in thermocol plate, I am going to color it using a black acrylic color. Now take the aluminium foil, cut out a circle according to the shape of the plate. Then I am going to crinkle the aluminium foil like this. Afterwards, I am opening the crinkled aluminium foil and make it to circle again. So you will get a nice crinkled effect. Now I am going to fix the crinkled aluminium foil sheet behind the thermacol plate. It will give a nice 3D effect. Using hot glue gun. You can use Fevibond and other quick fix also. Finally, you can hang the plates in the wall or door using double-sided tape. It will give a very nice look to your home. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.